How to pad a budget successfully. So, you want to be a part of this budget padding racket and make a quick bucks for yourself. Here is how to. There are 6 things you need for this racket to work effectively. Number 1. You need to be in public office as a minister, parliament member, or a high-ranking civil servant. Number 2. Being in public office is not enough. You need to be dubious, conniving, or downright corrupt. Number 3. You need to have the right people in the right government agencies, and we will tell you why this is important later. Number 4. You need random companies that belong to your friends, members of your families, or any other loyal person. Don't worry, these companies don't need to have a lot of infrastructure. Number 5. And very important, you need a foreign bank account far away from Nigeria. Number 6. You need a very weak anti-corruption institution. With all of this in place, you are ready to pad the budget. As a high-ranking public office holder, you will have access to the budget document. When no one is looking, place projects in agencies where you have people. Now this is why you need the right people in the right government agencies. Ensure that you place the more competent companies working with the agencies with your own company so that you can easily embezzle the money. It's not like your company will not do the job, but you need to do the job such a way that you'll maximize profit. 90 to 95% profit seems fair. Oh, sorry, did I say it was your company? Because you can never tell the political situation in the country, you need to stash your profit in faraway foreign banks. That way, the money you have stolen is safe. Plus, with a very weak anti-corruption institution, you can rest assured that nobody will investigate you, even though people bring overwhelming evidences against you. Now that is how to pad a budget successfully.